Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Ram, Hare
Hare
Ram,
Rama,
Ram Ram, Hare
सबके
Hare.
हाथ उठाएं.
Like, please all raise your hand up and chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. First of all, Madhya Gurupad Padma, Nityalila Prashtam Vishnupad, Ashtotsa Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Gosai Maharaj, and after that Shiksha Gurudev Srila Nityalila Prashtam Vishnupad, Ashtotsa Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Gosai Maharaj. I do my millions of Dandat Pranam in his lotus feet, and after that Nityalila Prashtam Vishnupada Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, and all the sannyasis wrind who are presented here, Pujapad Govind Maharaj, Param Pujapad Srila Bhaktivedanta Srila Madhav Maharaj, Param Pujapad Bhaktivedanta Srila Govind Maharaj, Param Pujapad Damodar Maharaj, and Param Pujapad Shant Maharaj, Param Pujapad Paramans Maharaj, and Param Pujapad our Pradyumna Babaji Maharaj, and all the present devotees, all the mothers, sisters, and the Bhaktavrind, and who are the listeners of Harikatha. So I do my pranam accordingly to all the Vaishnavas. Like, because the rainy day, so the rain is coming in here. So due to the rain, all are disturbed. Like Gurudev is saying, like now all became happy. Anand only. Everywhere is Anand. गिरिराज महाराज की जय. हरि हरि बोल. Like the Indradeva is today raining, so the Krishna today left the Giriraj Govardhan. बोलो गिरिराज धारण लीला की जय. माइक আবার কোথায় গেল বাবা? মাইক কোথায় গেল? So in West Bengal, so much heavy rain is going on. So, and the mic person is also not available. So mic is not working, and Gurudev is looking for that. Now it is working. Like all will not speak the Harikatha, everyone will listen. You don't need to speak, you have to listen Harikatha. So now the raining, today's rainy days, what to do? এই অনুষ্ঠানে
যারা মন প্রাণ দিয়ে
like for this
গায়ে মন
occasion, like
প্রাণ আদি দিয়ে
like
যারা এই অনুষ্ঠানকে
who organize this occasion with with their efforts, like by mind, by their body, by everything. So I give my I'm very thankful to them. So we will all clap for the organizer who has organized this program.
কেননা তাদের অথক পরিশ্রমের ফলে
Like by the so much efforts,
অনুষ্ঠান
this
সাফল্য মণ্ডিত হতে চলছে।
like this occasion has been held.
শাস্ত্রের মধ্যে
So in the scriptures it is said,
বিজ্ঞানসি বিজ্ঞানী
Siddhanshi
যেখানে ভালো কাজ
Vignani.
হবে সেখানে কোনো না কোনো সেখানে বাধাগুলো আসবে।
Like whenever the Bhagavad Katha was going on, so there will be some obstacles always there.
সেই বাধাগুলোকে আমাদের অতিক্রম করতে হবে।
Like these obstacles actually make us more eager to listen.
যে মায়ার সংসারে
So this is the Maya Sansar.
কোন জগতে রয়েছে
So we are living in this world which is the
রয়েছে সেইরূপ যিনি যত ভালো কার্য করতে যাবেন
like whoever going for the good work, so for that person like there's so much obstacles come.
মধ্যে দেখুন যত মহাপুরুষ রয়েছেন
So like all of the Mahapurushas, our previous acharyas, so they also face so much obstacle in their path.
অতিক্রম করে
So they actually crossed all the obstacles only and make their life successful by the cross all the obstacles that are coming in their way.
না কেন
So good, this means to say that whenever we go for any good activity, so always the obstacles will come in our good when we are going to be good, because this world is holding by the Maya Devi. So the Maya Devi always give some obstacles in the when the person like going to be do good.
এতক্ষণে আরেকজন বক্তা হয়ে গেল। আমাদের জীব গোস্বামী
So
পাদ একটা
our Jeev
সুন্দর
Goswami
উদাহরণ
Pad
দিয়েছেন।
in a sixth Sandarbh he is giving an
কত
example.
বাধা বিপত্তিকে অতিক্রম করে চলতে হয়।
Like you always
আমাদের এই জীবনের
come
মধ্যে
across from the
আমাদের
obstacles.
ফুলের বা পদ্ম ফুলের পাপড়িগুলোকে পত্রগুলোকে বিছিয়ে রাখে নাই, হ্যাঁ কাঁটাগুলোই রয়েছে।
Like the path is full of the stones, so we have to walk
কেননা
on that
এটি হচ্ছে
path.
মাইক জগতের
So this mic jaga, this
মাইক
material world,
জগতের এইগুলো দেখা যায়।
so in this material world it is seems like that.
একটা উদাহরণ দিয়েছেন।
So our Acharya is giving an example.
পর্বতের মধ্যে যখন একটা বরফ জল হয়ে যখন নিচের দিকে গড়িয়ে আসে,
Like from the mountains the water is coming down.
দেখুন যমুনেত্রী
Like how much the water is like striking with so much heavy stones, and the Yamnotri crossing and like coming from the mountains.
ধারাটা কত দূরে চলতে থাকে,
Like it's Dhara, the stream, the flow is going so
পাথরের মধ্যে
like there's so much heavy stones in between of like when the water is falling from the mountains, like striking with the big mountains,
তার থেকে
and then reach to the Haridwar, because the water wants to meet with the ocean, and there's like so much obstacles coming in the way of the
নদী রয়েছে
rivers. So like then after that meet in a 3 rivers.
নবদ্বীপ
Then after that the water reaches to that river reaches to the Navdeep Ganges,
থেকে গিয়ে
and then after that
এই আমাদের গঙ্গা
reaches to the Ganga Sagar.
এই উদাহরণটা কেন দিয়েছে?
So like who gave this an example? So the life is also like this, it is also full of the obstacles.
বিপত্তি আসে,
So like every time like the obstacles comes in your path,
যার জীবনের মধ্যে যত বাধা বিপত্তি আসে
so like so many
আবার সেই
obstacles,
জীবনকে তিনি তত সাফল্য মণ্ডিত করেন। এই
like
জন্য ভজন সাধনের মধ্যে
by the
জীবনে অনেক বাধা
bhajan
বিপত্তি
and
আসে।
sadhan you will do, so many obstacles will come, but you don't have to worry about the obstacles. You have to chant the Krishna name.
এটা ভগবান দর্শন করছেন, এই যে আমাদের পূর্ববর্তী বক্তা বললেন
So
সুন্দরভাবে
all the previous scriptures